Huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok.
Wala. Sure. We are here in Marikina Sports Arena for the continued coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 4, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Our first match for today will be the 18 and under division Malabon A to Z Sports Academy NYBL Bowlers going up against Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. John Ocampo. Kasama ko ngayon si Eman Cabiles. Partner, it's good to work with you again.
Good afternoon, John, and good afternoon sa inyo mga kaliga. And yes, thank you for joining us in this very hot Saturday afternoon. Pero it's about to get hotter because, syempre, mag-umpisa tayo sa 18 under. If you remember last week, buena mano natin, OT kagad.
Exactly, Pero yun na nga, that happened in our 14 and under division. Expect natin na mas matindi ang action dito sa mga kuya.
That's right.
So yun na nga, no? In a short while, ito si Coach Renren Ritualo on our screen right now, and we are about to begin our game number 1. As you mentioned, partner, sa mainit na tanghali, and our starting 5 will be Melegrito, Cabuelo, Padre Juan, Evaristo, and De La Cruz for Malabon. Para naman sa San Juan, we got Grama, Hizon, Calooy, De Leon, and Calanasan. Partner, we have very familiar names for San Juan, like Hizon and Calooy. Pero
That's right.
they are from different teams. Calooy was from San Pedro, and
Yes.
Hizon was from Quezon City last season.
Yes, and now, na-recruit na sila ng Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. And speaking of Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors, they are still on a roll, no? With 2 wins to their name. First against the Bulacan, the JT Bulacan Taipan, wherein they won way back in April 2026, opening natin. So they won by 10, 91 to 81. And then last May 10, they also got a big W against Quezon City 8-8 Junior Giants. Na medyo dikit naman yung ano doon. They won by 6 points, but still a victory. Syempre dun sa game na yun, Joseph Calooy ang number 1 scorer ng Makabagong San Juan. In the meantime, for Malabon naman, partner, last May 9, their first game in Season 4, they suffered a big loss against the Marikina Junior Shoemasters, yung team na makikita natin mamaya,
Yes.
as we are in their home court. So, malaking bagay dito ngayon para sa Malabon kung paano mag-show up si Magic Padre Juan. But aside from that, kailangan niya ng mas matinding suporta, especially from Manabat and Melegrito.
And as you were speaking, Padre Juan gets that two-handed slam.
Yes.
Kanina, partner, nakapukol siya ng 3. 5-0 na dito ang Malabon kontra San Juan, and all 5 points coming from Padre Juan. Right on cue, as you mentioned, because
Right.
Magic Padre Juan scoring double-digit scores last outing, although they lost by a huge 36 points kontra Marikina Shoemasters, which will show up later on. Eh yun na nga, sabi mo nga, kailangan niya ng assistance, but so far, we are not seeing that yet. And as we take a look at this once again on our replay, yun na nga, 5-0 tayo. San Juan is yet to find their first bucket.
Oo. And a good start here for Malabon A to Z Sports Academy. Lalo na isang 3 at isang slam ang binigay nitong si Magic.
Right now, malapit ang atake, but rejected.
Wow, by De Leon. That was an outstanding timing on the part of De Leon. Kahit medyo naiwanan na siya nun, he was actually at the hip of the offensive player, pero inaabot pa rin niya using those wide wingspans of his.
Just like that, misses yung long two-pointer doon ni Enriquez. Bola na si Juan, finally gets their first 2 points. Bray Calooy.
JC Calooy, smooth as ever, going into the body of his defender. Konting bump lang, and then yung kanyang malakady na mid-range jumper. Although malapit yun para kay Joseph, so ilista mo na.
Yun nga, Calooy having that height and reach advantage. Napakahaba ng reach ito ni Calooy. Taking advantage of it, and right now, bola muli ng San Juan, and they are looking to tie things up or inch a bit closer. They're only down by 3 points, and 3 minutes has gone by in the first quarter.
And when it comes to offense, John, medyo kahit mabagal yung start nitong makabagong San Juan, no, you don't have to worry about them, and I'm sure they're not worried as well because in the first place, apat na members, na team members nitong makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors averages in double digits. Number 1 na si Joseph Calooy with 19. Jaime Hizon also close to 19 points per game. Tapos si Teodoro, 16 points per game yan. Pati na rin si Basinos na almost 15 points per game. At yung minention natin kanina na kailangan ni Magic Padre Juan ng Malabon ng tulong, Magic Padre Juan actually averaged 27 points dun sa last outing nila, which is a huge points per game average for one person. Kaya lang yung sumunod sa kanya 10 points lang. Or no, check that. 8 points. Siya lang pala ang nag-average ng double digits sa team niya sa Malabon. So kailangan talaga ng assistance at more support para dito kay Magic.
Well, what we want to see is better performance nga, no, para sa Koponan ng Malabon, not just by Padre Juan. As we can see here, tabla na sa 5 ang score natin, and that 2-for-2 free throw for Calooy. So right now, bola naman ng Malabon. They're yet to break the tie. Pulls up for that jumper. Misses. Calooy with the boards. Takbo dito ang San Juan and gets the bucket and one, and that will be Jacob Hizon.
That's right, Jacob Hizon, full steam ahead, even with the defender hot on his trail. As we take a look at, yes, as we just saw the the glitch. But yeah, Jacob Hizon, even with contact, no, able to finish smoothly at nakompleto pa niya yung 3-point play.
That gives San Juan a 3-point lead just like that. So sabi mo nga kanina, partner, no, medyo slow start ng San Juan, but no worries. And ito na nga yun, fully manifesting. Although it's very early in our game number 1, especially dito sa mga kuya, the 18 and under division. But just as we speak, itong Malabon gives that turnover to San Juan, and now San Juan has a chance to increase their lead even more. Now,
That's right.
Setting things up, itong si Calooy. Finding that opening, shaking up the defense of the white shirts. Look at that, just couldn't finish but was able to draw the foul.
Calooy, right wing cleared for him to operate. At pagkatapos ng nakipagsayawan muna sa kanyang defender, as we see this, like I said, suave, almost making that scoop layup. May contact nga lang, kaya nabaliktad yung pectus.
Oo. Pero nonetheless, he will be rewarded of his efforts. Ngayon, nandito siya sa free throw line. 3 for 3 na so far. Itong si Calooy. Let's see if he can complete all 4. Kasi kanina 2 free throws in. Ngayon, 1 out of 2 so far. Gets both. 4 out of 4 at the line. Itong San Juan.
JC Calooy or Joseph Calooy continuing to be awesome. Personally for me, I had the privilege of watching this young blood play since season 2 when he was in San Pedro, no? At doon sa 14 under na yun, when he played, alam ko, dumunk na yun eh.
Oo, doon na siya ka-dominante. Nung season 2 pa lang natin.
And now it's good to see him, even with another team, still continuing his development, and yun nga, humuhusay at humuhusay pa everyday itong si JC Calooy.
Halos na pabuti pa para sa Malabon. Ito na nga, second chance points. Yung rebound din ni Teodoro, napabuti pa para sa Malabon.
Napaganda pa as Raymond Cabuello getting another bucket for Malabon. in a time where they really need it, no? Because they've been stuck at 5. I think 7 na to ngayon, no? Yeah, they've been stuck at 5 for some time.
Pero dahil nga dyan, no, mapapatawag muna ng timeout to Malabon. Balik tayo in a few.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang
Okay siya? Sige ko po kaya sa ito. Wala ko narinig.
Balik action tayo after that short break halfway through the first quarter. At ito na nga, lamang na ulit ng Limang San Juan with 12-7. Malabon looking to score. Bola ng mga nakaputi. Trying to break through the defense. Jumps way too short. Offensive boards. Kaso double team. At yun na nga, nakadraw dito ng foul itong si Enriquez.
I think that last jumper was partially deflected by Jaime Teodoro. And Jaime Teodoro, one of the dependable defenders para dito sa makabagong San Juan at napakita na nga niya kagad dun sa last play.
Kita mo naman yung build nito ni Teodoro.
Oo,
For an 18-year-old,
pang-depensa talaga.
18 and under. Ang laking bata nito.
Oo.
Well, in his last outing, he was able to score double digit, 19 points and 6 rebounds. So, asahan natin siya on both offense and defensive end para dito sa San Juan. But right now, bola ulit ng Malabon pero 7 na lang ang natitira sa shot clock. Oh, spins! Drops
good
it off!
pass.
Great play at nakakuha ng puntos dyan si Cabuelo.
That's right, Cabuello again, another recipient, no, of a good assist. Yung kanina medyo swerte, yung pulot niya kanina, pero always at the right place at the right time. And hindi basta-basta swerte yun eh, yung right place at the right time. Ginagawa yun. It's about positioning, it's about reading the positions of, especially of your opponents on the floor.
Oh, but right, when we're right at it, halos 6 na puntos na nakitala doon within a few seconds. Ito San Juan, but answers back itong si Enriquez.
Another good pass coming from Jonard Evaristo, no, of Malabon.
Oh, the jumper won't go in para kay Calooy, but talking about that last few seconds of action, 4 points coming from Hizon and Teodoro with back-to-back steals and muntik pa ang umanim, but luckily Malabon was able to respond back. At yun na nga, on the defensive boards, itong si Teodoro gives it to Hizon.
Teodoro getting another rebound. He averages 9. Samantala, si Hizon all the way.
Finds that gap at the center and scores.
Kinaliwa pa.
Oh, look at that anticipation by Teodoro. Great awareness. And the finish on the fast break.
Yes. And nothing Melegrito can do there. Tinansya lang siya ng mabuti ni Teodoro, no? Kung hanggang saan siya aabot.
Well, Biligrito is at disadvantage on the offensive and defensive
Right.
side. Pero ngayon, bola ulit ng San Juan, but that 3-point shot won't go in. Too strong. Left-handed floater will finish itong si Tuason.
That was quick. Dominic Tuazon, quick to the ball and quick with the release.
Pero yun na nga, mapapatawag ulit ang timeout ng Malabon. Break muna tayo.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat
Balik aksyon tayo here still in the first quarter, and as we look at that replay, that was a left-handed finish by Jacob Izan, and dito nga naman Teodoro with a defensive steal, and look at that, straight to the basket. Melegrito couldn't do anything as per what my partner Eman mentioned earlier.
Right, and Teodoro, no, deceptively quick. I mean, if you look at him, yung build ni Teodoro, pwede ng bodybuilder, no?
Oo.
At 18, pero siya yung nakakuha ng steal na yun, ng interception, using his quickness. Oh, kanina gumana, pero ngayon kapos.
Oo, kapos na, and naipasa pa nga sa white shirts, but right now, little bit of contact there against Padre Juan, pero bola pa rin ng Malabon. Plenty of time with their shot clock, pero mate-turnover ang bola sa San Juan after that backcourt violation.
Right. And if you notice the defense of makabagong San Juan right now, sa umpisa pa lang when Padre Juan, when Magic got a 3 and then a slam, I'm sure makabagong San Juan has already scouted him prior to that.
Yes.
So, syempre hindi papayag si Coach Renre, no, na magpatuloy yun, and I believe that the defense of makabagong San Juan is focused really on limiting the output nitong si Magic.
Pero yun na nga, great efforts on the offensive and defensive side para sa San Juan. Though Malabon is really trying their best. But right now, they are down with the double digit. Kalahati ng puntos ng San Juan.
Oo nga.
22-11 with 1 minute 7 seconds remaining in our first. Bola ulit ng mga nakaputi. Malabon looking to score this time. There's been a huge gap in the first quarter. You know nga, that three-pointer won't go in para kay Magic. That was too strong.
Right.
Stepping on that corner. Turning the ball over to San Juan.
Yes, and yun nga yung noticeable, no? Yung touches nitong si Magic Padre Juan, since the start of this game, biglang nilimit ng makabagong San Juan right after he made those quick 5 points. Oh, good ball movement.
San Juan still on the attack.
Yun lang,
Nga,
nasobrahan.
they were looking for that left wing 3, kaso napituhan sa loob 3-second violation. Pero yan, ito nga, this could be a great opportunity for Malabon if
Right.
ever they capitalize on this ball possession, especially they're down by 11 points with 35 seconds on our game clock. Finding that gap, gives it off, and finally, Cabuello makes the score.
And ito ngayon si Cabuello ang nagiging highest pointer ng Malabon A to Z, like we mentioned earlier, always at the right place at the right time, recipient of several nice assists from his teammates. At that time, si Xavier nakashoot, pero yung assist kanina kay Cabuello coming from Mark David Acol.
Mananatili sa panig ng Malabon ng bola with 7 seconds remaining after that turnover of San Juan.
And again, makabagong San Juan recognizing the Magic, no? Every time na tumitira si Magic, may tao sa harapan niya at napasabit pa siya ngayon.
As you were saying, partner, before the buzzer sounded here in quarter number 1, nakakuha pa nga dyan ng basket and one itong si Teodoro, being a familiar name, and look at that, pound fitness, foul, counted play, iniwas pa yung bola sa
Tinago
ere.
muna ng konti sa chest pocket, no?
Oo.
Abay nilatag.
And at the line itong si Teodoro, and that will complete his 3-point play, giving them a 14 huge advantage. 27-13 ang ating score at the end of the first quarter. We will be back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Speaking of magic, bola ng Malabon. And hindi lang si Magic Padre Juan ang inaasahan natin dito, kundi as you mentioned kanina nga no, sa first quarter, Eman, Cabuello takes the leading scorer spot para sa Malabon. But right now, they are starting off the second quarter down by 14 huge points. But that three-pointer won't go in. Atake dito ang San Juan. One dribble needed just to get the finish by Villavicencio.
Makabagong San Juan always keeping the Malabon. Oh, that was a
Huge
beautiful
block, may
rejection.
haranan.
That's right. And like I said, itong depensa ng Makabagong San Juan, very focused on Magic Padre Juan.
Maranan on the defensive side, hindi na halos tumalon just to get that block and bola muli ng San Juan. Now these black shirts are being dominant here in the first half. So kasi simula lang ng ating second quarter and they're already attacking hard, and that three will go in. Villavicencio naman.
The play of Makabagong San Juan right now is definitely quicker. They have more energy than the white shirts of Malabon A to Z. And when I say quicker, hindi lang yung quick sa bola. Even with the pass, they are moving the ball very well. Talking about Makabagong San Juan, to elude the defense and keeping the defense of Malabon always on their toes. Yeah, lagi nila nakikita yung best shot possible, no? To take.
Pero ngayon nilabas muna si Maranan. Another big man replaces him. Kita mo nga naman, no, after one of our game officials, hanggang balikat lang nito. I think this is kalanasan.
That's
Number
right.
34, yeah.
And you have to expect no, na mas mabilis yung rotation ng players nitong Makabagong San Juan, considering how fast they play at yung energy nila. They try to maintain a certain level of energy na mas mataas kaysa sa kalaban nila.
Exactly. And just like that, 32 against 13 in favor of San Juan. Looking to increase their lead even more. Misses that shot. On the rush, white shirts, fakes. Oh! Great anticipation by Medic. Arsic rather. That was number 26. Arsic.
One of the rare fast break opportunities sa Malabon na stop pa ng pagkaganda-ganda ni Austin Arsic.
Oh, great defensive board, but just couldn't get the second opportunity. Pangatlong chance. Arsic naman ang pupuntos.
What a luxury for Coach Renren na nilabas mo yung mga starters mo, yung mga frontline mo, and then you have Arsic coming off the bench, no?
And yun na nga, speaking of luxury and advantage itong San Juan, as we can see here, they have the much bigger men on the floor right now. And speaking of, the second unit na ito ng San Juan,
Oo.
and ganun pa rin yung sitwasyon. Para luxury ba for Coach Renren, inilabas mo yung first, pinasok mo yung second unit, and halos ganun pa rin yung sistema.
Oh, and really, they are making life difficult for Malabon. Walang pupuntahan doon yung itinira ni Brian Dean Payumo.
Pero nga, nakapuntos pa dito si Reyes on that other side of the court para sa San Juan. Malabon naman ang susubok pumuntos. Currently, napako na sila sa 13. 24 points ang hinahabol nila. Pumukol ng 3, nagbintis. Second chance. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Right wing 3, way off to the right. Misses. This time, Naganyo secures the board.
Oh,
What a steal. Isa pa, pero contested. Heavily contested. 1 against 3 black shirts.
actually, Naganyo lost his dribble right there, no? Pero nabawi naman niya with a good vertical defensive stop. Pero
Another 3 para sa San Juan, but this time, Zyle Santos naman.
and because of the quickness and the crisp ball movement nitong Makabagong San Juan, it seems that basketball, this game in particular, has been too easy for them. Look at that, a wide open corner 3.
Grabbing that opportunity dun si Zyle Santos. No one there to guard him. And just like that, 27 huge points ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan. And bola nila muli. Just looking for that opening. Heavily guarded, trying to break the defense of the White Shirts. Oh! Tough shot! It was like asking for a foul pero nakapuntos doon si Zyle Santos.
Santos, actually, isa sa mga rare one-on-one makes nitong San Juan or one-on-one plays. Pero it's all good for him considering na he had a mismatch against number 99, Joaquin Melchor.
And finally,
bumawi doon.
yeah,
Yes.
Evaristo was able to score for Malabon. Bola muli ng San Juan. Finds that man on the left corner. Thought about the three. Oh, just couldn't make this work this time. Bola ng Malabon on the rush. Couldn't go straight to the basket. Gives it off. Misses the first shot.
Look at the transition defense of San Juan. Meron kagad tatlo na naghihintay
Oo.
sa fast break ng Malabon.
Nakababa kagad yung tatlo, stopping them on their tracks. Ngayon, bola ng San Juan after Malabon misses a couple.
And doon naman sa part ng Malabon A to Z, yes, their transition defense also was set up. However, yun nga, unang dalawa, at a disadvantage in terms of height. Kaya alam ng San Juan to take full advantage of that, of their height and heft. Kaya kahit hindi naipasok yung runner nitong si is that number 25? Yeah. Alam niya na mas maliit yung nasa harapan niya at nakakuha siya ng foul.
Oo. And I believe that's the number 21.
21. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, that's Gab Reyes.
Oh, Gab Reyes.
Yeah,
There
for
you go.
San Juan. Pero yun na nga, too big for Malabon to overcome. And ito na nga, great play, great
again.
pass. Gets that finish. San Juan naman.
Patience and unselfishness working wonders for makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors
That
right
was
now.
Pero great steal by number 27, De Guzman. And bola muli nila. No look pass. Right corner. Atake. Straight to the basket. Evades the much bigger defender. And this time, itong si number Arafat Kapal, number 22 of San Juan.
That's right. Anong height mo? Sabi ni Arafat, no?
Oo. Sobrang layo nung gap nila when it comes to their size difference. Pero nagawa ng paraan ni Kapalan. Ngayon siya naman ang gumagawa ng opening
beautiful.
para kay Galanan.
Set up
Kalanasan.
job.
What a play right there by San Juan. Great anticipation. Pero yun na nga, mananatili sa panig ng Malabon ng bola as we take a look at this once again. Look at that. Tried to fake that pass. Evades the defender and muntik pa
Right.
makakuha ng basket and one.
And then on the second play, etong si Arafat Kapal, no? Because he made the first basket, naging wari na sa kanya yung depensa ng Malabon, and that enabled him to find their big guy who was in good position in the paint.
Great play so far para dito sa San Juan.
Oh.
And great for a steal right there by the White Shirts. Malabon naman ang atake.
Good interference on the passing lane there by Raymond Cabuello.
Si Katapang, atake doon pero na-foul nga siya doon ni De Guzman on that transition. Under 3 minutes remaining in our second quarter, mabilis lumilipas ang oras.
Oo.
Nananatili pa rin dominante dito ang San Juan with 48 points kontra sa 15 points ng Malabon. And that's already 33-point lead in our second quarter.
Right, and in this second period, no, you'll notice medyo matagal-tagal lang nakaupo itong si Magic Padre Juan.
Oo.
Their highest scorer pinagpahinga ng matagal dahil I'm sure na napansin na rin ang coaching staff ng Malabon na yung depensa kay Magic next level
Oo.
by Malabon. Kasi kumbaga, siya talaga ang focus ng depensa nitong San Juan.
And speaking of the offense and defensive dominance of San Juan, hindi naman nakakapagtaka. 2-0 na sila in their Season 4. Ngayon, they're looking to get their third straight victory. Habang ito namang Malabon, 0-1 sila. And medyo ganun na naman yung nakikita natin at 30 plus points sa kalamangan early in this ball game.
Right.
Pero itong si Cabuello at the line, nakapukul agad ng isa. 1 out of 2 so far. Kalanasan with the board. Atake dito ang San Juan. And look at that! Oh! Missed that first shot. Kaloy gets the second chance.
Nag-stat padding lang na konti. Si Kaloy, nabawasan nga lang ng assist yung teammate niya. Pero may
Yun
rebound
nga
naman
lang.
siya.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero so far so good para dito sa panig ng San Juan. They're at 50. The 3-point just couldn't find the bottom of that basket.
Right. And Malabon should make those 3-pointers, especially if they're open, if they really want to come back into this game. Because so far, parang yun ang pinakamadaling available shots, no, na nabibigay sa kanila ng depensa ng San Juan.
And I'm wondering the status of the morale of Malabon, especially they're down already by 34 points once
Right.
again. 50-16. Wala pa tayo sa katapusan ng second quarter natin. We still have 2 minutes of the second quarter. At katulad nga niyan, second chance na naman para dito kila Hizon ng San Juan. Steps back 3, a bit short. Defensive boards. Oh, look at that anticipation. Stolen by Hizon. Trying to be flashy on that pass. Nakakuha pa ng foul. It has been San Juan's show so far in this second quarter or the first game natin. As we take a look at this once again. Hizon trying to be flashy on that pass on the left side of their court, pero yun na nga, natawagan ng foul. Ito nga Malabon.
Right. Somebody crossed the path of Jacob.
Pero di pa naman tayo penalty situation, pero yun na nga. No more fouls to give dito ang San Juan. Pero nothing to worry. Pero itong si their big guy who misses. Ito naman si Evaristo. Second foul na nga niya dito sa ating second quarter. Joaquin De Leon at the line, shooting for 2.
Actually, that this is a well-deserved. These are well-deserved free throws for De Leon, considering that he got that offensive rebound of that post move ng kanyang teammate. Got fouled on his way up. Kumbaga, sariling sikap niya.
Oo. Yan nga, De Leon, 2 for 2 at the line. Sila lamang sila pa talaga yung hindi nakakaminte so far do sa free throw. Almost 100%. Itong Malabon naman, they are yet to find their rhythm just to inch closer, just to get closer. Dito sa San Juan, and as we can see that, very tight defense coming from De Leon. White shirts naman ang atake. Heavily guarded, almost losing that ball to De Leon. Gives to number 11. Pulls up at the middle, misses. De Leon with the board. Hazel naman. Setting up the pace. Relax lang daw. With 15 on their shot clock, plenty of time. 1 minute on our game clock. Double team, 8 seconds na lang on their shot clock. Corner long two will be, that will be good.
Alexi Gakrama making his presence felt here sa offense ng Malabon, at meron na namang isa doon, si Hizon.
Jacob Hizon trying to be flashy on that layup. Pinaiikot-ikot pa, but right now Malabon naman. We're at our 35-second mark on the second quarter, and Malabon is yet to score. Yung free throws pa lang na yun kanina, naka-puntos in that jumper on that corner won't go in, or the baseline rather. Alexis rebound by Maranan.
Yes, Alexis Gakrama kanina naka-long two siya, no? And ang laking bagay, no, na your teammate who leads your team in assists, Alexis averages 6 assists per game. It can also knock down those long bombs.
De Leon scores once again for San Juan with 10 seconds remaining on our game clock.
De Leon again generating points for himself, no? Part of a broken play, offensive rebound niya.
Oh, Hazen took his luck in that last shot before the buzzer sounded in the second quarter. And our score is 58 kontra 16. San Juan pa rin ang lamang.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Balik action tayo dito in our game number 1. Pasok na nga ang third quarter. And as we can see here, 58-16. Lamang ng 42 partner itong San Juan. Very dominant in their first. And yun na nga si Hazen, matempa ng 3 kaagad.
Oo. And in this third period, itong 5 on the floor for Malabon, I'm not sure if they're already waving the white flag this early, no? Pero this is not the starting 5 that we saw, and most especially si Magic Padre Juan, who is their top scorer, is still on the bench after being pulled out early in the second period.
And the only familiar name here on the floor for Malabon is Enriquez. all the rest is bagong sala ngayon. At yun na nga, nakapukol dito ng maagang 3 dito si Basti of San Juan.
And of course, ito naman San Juan, regardless of their huge lead right now, yung pa rin yung starting 5 nila. And I'm sure that is because na if you're a coach, yung sistema mo ang lagi mong ini-implement no? So kahit magkaroon ka rin changes, kayo man ang may malaki man kayong lamang, kayo man ang natambakan, gusto mong maging consistent sa yung system. And that's why the first 5 of, well, the 5 here sa third quarter nitong makabagong San Juan ay yung paring starters nila as Joseph gets another bucket for himself.
And kanina nga, no, as we entered the third quarter, si Gakrama nakapuntos kagad ng 5, isang 3, isang 2. And ngayon, bola pa rin ng San Juan. Very
Beautiful
dominant.
pass.
Oh, look at that answer
Wow.
from Calooy. He's on to Teodoro to get the finish.
In the first place, that initial pass to Hizon, he already had a wide open layup for that. As we see it again, kung tinuloy niya yun, baka naka-end one din siya yung naka-end one, no? But
Oo.
he saw his power forward who was in better position, thus the hockey pass, at ganun din naman, end one din naman.
That was brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness Foul Counted Play. Ito nga si Teodoro completes the 3-point play once again.
Right.
Stretching even further. 68 to 18, 50 huge points ang kalamangan dito, and 2 minutes has only gone by. And look at that, almost a slam by Teodoro, just like that.
Again, makabagong San Juan making basketball look easy with their, first of all, with their energy on defense that always translates to easy baskets on the fast break, no?
Ayun, partner, we understand that this could be frustrating, very frustrating sa panig ng Malabon, only scoring below 20 points when we are at our third quarter already.
Oo nga.
And 52 points ang naitalang kalamangan dito ng San Juan. And as we can see there, Kalanasan with that rejection, not needed to jump and got
wow.
the left-handed finish.
That time, Alexis Gakrama, the transition defense was actually set up. There were 3 white shirts there in front of Alexis, pero kahit nasa harapan pa kayo ng dinedepensa nyo, kung kulang yung effort,
Oo.
gano'n ang gagawin. Katulad ng ginawa ni Alexis, na zinigzagan lang ng konti, and then that lefty finish by him.
It only goes to show his athleticism on handling that ball. Ito naman si Hizon, cross-court, Teodoro to Gakrama.
Again, good ball movement, even if
shot
they
is
missed
low.
that 3.
Pero actually, in the third quarter, sa ganito kalaking kalamangan at 54, they can already take their time, set their pace, sa kahit gano'n nila kagusto. Makahabol man ng konti ang Malabon, makakapag-adjust pa rin ang San Juan. But what I want to see, or looking forward to see, is itong Malabon, how they can inch closer, or makaangat man lang. And just like that, itong si De La Cruz, 5 fouls na in the third quarter.
Malabon A to Z Sports Academy really need to dig deep into their bag. At this point, wag na nila muna tingin yung score, just run their plays.
Pero na nga, napatawag ulit ng timeout. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying a game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. After that timeout, an unexpected turnover coming from San Juan. Pero chance na ito ng Malabon para maipakita that they're still in this game. Mahaba pa ang
That's
oras
right.
natin. 6 minutes in the third quarter. Meron pa tayong fourth quarter. Show us what you got, Malabon. Although, syempre, partner, no, easier said than done dito sa
Of
ating
course.
mga nanonood lang. Pero, knowing, ayun,
Ayun.
what a shot coming from Melegrito.
That's
Heavily
right.
contested by the biggest man on the floor. Nakakuha pa rin siya ng puntos. And look at that. Still stolen in that transition.
There.
Looking for that fast break finish. Balik na si Padre Juan sa action.
Malabon showing signs of life here at they just have to keep at it, no? Like I said, ignore the score, run their plays, and it all starts, partner, with defense talaga eh.
Oo.
They really have to turn it up on the defensive end so that even if sabihin natin that they go on to lose this one, maidikit man lang nila.
Oo. And this could be an amazing turn of events for Malabon, knowing that they're down heavily by 50 plus points kanina, no, maaga pa.
Parang hindi pa yata nangyari yun, yung nakabalik from 50.
Oo, pero
No?
kung gumagagawa nila, sabi mo
Bakit hindi?
if ever na
Oo.
maka 3 straight wins itong San Juan dito, maganda pa rin na ipapakita ng Malabon if they can inch closer, and that will be a statement to their next game. But just like that,
Yes,
two
yung
big men to stop the attack of Malabon.
right. At hindi lang yung yung statement yung carry over
Oo.
to the next game. If you're confident, if you did good, especially on the end game, and you can carry over that confidence towards your next.
Exactly, and this is just their
8
second
seconds.
game. 8
Good
seconds
defense.
violation. Napigilan nila doon na San Juan pumuna dito si Hizon and si Calooy for a much needed break para dito sa dalawang ito. Pero na-turnover nga ng San Juan ang bola to Malabon. Now this is their chance once again.
That's right.
So far, naka-4 na puntos na sila. Makaalis ang 18 points. But still, they're down by exactly 50 points. 72-22. Cross-court pass. Thought about the 3.
Oh, sayang.
Naubusan ng 24 segundos ang Malabon.
That's actually surprising considering that those two guards were not aware of their shot clock. Una-una yan, lalo na kung ikaw yung point guard, alam mo kung ano na yung takbo ng shot clock, no?
To set up the play, syempre, para sa mga
Oo.
kasama mo. Pero yun na nga. New player on the floor for San Juan. Just missed that 3-pointer. That's number 8. Oh, balik pala si Villavicencio sa aksyon.
Right.
Still at 72-22, and we only have 3:20 in our third quarter. Setting up the play itong si Melegrito. 3-pointer. Short para kay Padre Juan. Bola pa rin ng Malabon. Lucky break for them.
And that was through the efforts actually of their center. Number 69 apparently, yes. As Enriquez. A good spin.
Good spin.
Yun
Just couldn't
lang.
get the bottom of the basket. Second opportunity misses. Pero na nga heavily guarded. Pero he was able to secure the foul. Itong si Cabuello.
Right. And Raymond Cabuello, so far in this game, he is the only shining light, no? Para sa Malabon. He's the most consistent, especially in scoring, not just that, also in rebounding. And a lot of that is because of his effort as
Oo.
well.
Tabla sila sa 7 nito ni Padre Juan sa puntos para sa Malabon. Pero ngayon 8 na. Looking to make it 9 points. 1 out of 2 for
Short.
Cabuello. Great rebound.
Sa kanya pa rin.
Oh, look at that. But just contested.
Oo.
Ito ni Maranan.
But,
Takbo dito ang San Juan on the rush. Looking for the fast break finish. Decided to get the 3. Misses itong si Santos.
rebound na naman ni Cabuello. And you have to hand it to the guy, he's actually undersized for his position, pero he is battling with the giants as Melegrito. Melegrito gets another bucket.
Melegrito finally scores and much needed point. But look at that. What a play. Good find and finish. Maranan ang tatapos.
Again, that was too easy. It wasn't even makabagong San Juan was able to turn that into a 2 against 1 fast break. Even if there were white shirts already to defend. Ito, 3-on-1, malinaw.
Look at that. Pinasabay lang si Melegrito and there's nothing he can do. 3 black shirts against him.
Siya pa yung pinakamaliit sa gitna
Oo.
nila.
Talking about the defense of San Juan, showing great so far. And yun na nga. Talking about the defense, look at that.
Oo.
Naitapit may bola.
From behind yon.
Villavicencio, unselfish in that play. Melegrito taps.
Good stand there by Melegrito.
Oh, almost getting that 3.
Oh,
Enriquez, the big man, taking the ball court to court. Oh, gets stopped by a much smaller defender.
Oo
This
nga.
time, pupukol naman siya. Pero yun na nga, nakakuha niya ang foul. Just couldn't get the points. 1 minute 10 seconds ang natitira sa ating third quarter. 76-25. 51 points pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan. But for now, nasa free throw line itong si Enriquez. And bigay muna natin to kay Maris for some courtside report. Maris.
Alam nyo ba, nakausap ko kanina si Coach Nino ng Malabon A to Z Ballers. Sabi niya, sobrang nostalgic nito para sa kanya. Nakalaban niya daw kasi si Coach Renren ng San Juan Mighty Warriors noong 1997. Mapuhua Junior siya that time at si Coach Renren ay San Beda naman. Biro niya nga, magpipicture daw sila mamaya to reminisce. Alam niyo, sabi niya, it's nice to look back to the good old days, lalo na at naipapasa mo yung dati mong gawain sa mga kabataan. Gentlemen?
Maris, thank you so much. Wow. That was tawag dito, some history between itong si Coach Renren at si head coach ng Malabon being facing each other. It's just San Beda and their team in 1997.
Wow.
So sila pa yung mga ganito noon.
oo.
Sila pa yung mga bata ng time. Right now, sila na ang head coaches ng Malabon and San Juan and magpipicture pa nga daw. Well,
But I have to ask you, San Beda si Coach
Renren.
Renren? Hindi ba siya Lasal? Okay.
Kasi alam natin itong mga San Juan players natin ay binubuo ng San Beda squad. Pero syempre, we can double check that. Itong 78-58.
Lasal.
Ito si Coach Renren.
Of course, because Renren Ritualo was a king archer during during that time in his college days, no? Sinundan niya, well, although probably during high school. Yeah, we can check that.
Yes,
I think
oo.
97 palagay ko si Aliado yata yung king archer nun eh.
Oo.
That was Don Aliado.
Imagine, legends made in those times.
That's right. Tapos when Renren came in, napasa na sa kanya yung pagka-king archer, no?
Pero yun na nga, this will be the end of our third quarter. 81-28, 3 huge points. We will be back after this short break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings a flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Napakasaya nga na ating quarter scene stealer. Care of our sponsor, Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And we are out our fourth and final quarter. 53 points ang kalamangan dito ng San Juan kontra dito sa Malabon.
And you have to have it to makabagong San Juan, no? If you witness the start of this game, Padre Juan, Magic Padre Juan, who is the leading scorer of Malabon, who averages 27 points a game, especially nung last game nila, started off good, 5 points in a blink of an eye, a 3 and a slam, and then makabagong San Juan. Konting adjustment lang. And now, I can't even remember when was the last time Padre Juan scored in this game because na-lockdown na nila. Basically, itong si Magic Padre Juan.
Well, he was able to score 1 in that third quarter, pero itong si Zyle Santos nakapukol agad ng 3.
That's right. And after that, slight adjustment sa defense ng Malabon, locking down Padre Juan, ganun pa rin yung makabagong San Juan still runs their system as this guy is basically the difference maker, no? Itong si Raymond Cabuello para sa Malabon. But of course, katulad ni Padre Juan sa last game, Raymond will need a lot of help para mabawasan man lang nila ng konti itong lamang na to ng San Juan.
Well, balik sa 50 ang kalamangan nito after 53, I think.
Oh,
At yun
good
na
pass.
nga.
Pero
Look at that,
late,
good pass, but just couldn't
like
finish.
I said, late. Late yung pasa because there was at least 2 extra dribbles when the ball came into to his teammate. Wala na sa buwelo, pare. Oo.
Pero ito, chance muli ng Malabon. And they have to make something work this time, especially we're at our fourth quarter. San Juan has pulled away early, kahit nung first quarter pa lang, and they stay dominant in the second and third quarter. Now with our fourth quarter, sarado 50 ang kalamangan. Great ball movement. The intention was there, but just tight defense coming from San Juan. Long two-pointer, natapik pa. Second chance, wala pa din. Big guy right behind you. Kitang-kita kanya ni Kalanasan.
Hindi na tumalon, parang Wemby, no?
Hindi na tumalon. Enjoying that height advantage. And look at that. Arsic with the 3.
That's right. Ito si Arsic is having himself a game started way back in the second period, coming off the bench and bringing the energy and maintaining the overall energy level nitong makabagong San Juan na parang hindi nalolobat, no?
Oo. And as we can see here on our replay, Arsic na libre sa labas ng linya. Ayun, pumukol ng
straight away.
3. Alam mo, ang advantage din kasi ng ganitong kalaking kalamangan sabihin na natin, andun naman yung excitement, yung kaba, pero halos no pressure na they can try, they can do whatever they want. Siyempre, in accordance with Coach Rendren's instruction. Pero yun na nga, baka may go signal na sila na pumukol ng 3 kung malibre. And let's see kung anong gagawin dito na San Juan despite the 52-point advantage.
Oh, travel.
Traveling violation itong Sigakrama.
That was
Or
good.
that's Santos rather.
Right, good defense there by Jaden Nakar, crowding si Alexi, no? Na hindi basta-basta nawawala sa footing yan.
Oh, great
Yun
anticipation. Yun na nga. One quick play and Reyes was able to score.
And you can have those poor judgment calls, no? Against a team like makabagong San Juan. Konting miscommunication lang yun sa inbound eh.
Oo.
You have to make sure that your teammate receives the ball.
And we see here, pinahinga mo, pasok ulit si Maranan, kapalit ni Kalanasan. Same result, great defensive stop para dito sa San Juan. At the line, we have Day Moreno of Malabon.
And at this point, kahit sino pa yung ipasok ni Coach Renren on the part of makabagong San Juan, parang hindi mo alam kung alin yung starter. It doesn't matter kung alin yung second stringers because they're all playing to their roles because they're all playing in the system at hindi sila lumalabas sa sistema na yun.
Yes.
Walang nagpapasikat,
Yes.
walang humihiwalay, they keep to it. At the same time, the effort and the energy is always there.
Well, as we can see here, San Juan, another 3. Zyle
Right.
Santos naman. Now 90-34. Huge lead para dito sa San Juan towards 6-minute mark. And look at that. Mabilis na 5-point play para dito sa San Juan. Napatawagan ng timeout itong Malabon. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat
Well, back in action here in the fourth quarter. As we can see, that three-pointer coming from Ziel Santos and a quick fast break finish. Ziel Santos once again with that layup gliding to the basket. 5-0 run kagad na naitala nila dun in a few seconds. And as we can see here, 6:02 remaining in our fourth quarter, 92-34. 58 points, bola ng Malabon. They're still in this game.
11 points.
De La Cueva drives, misses.
Baka madagdagan pa, 11 points.
Almost an offensive rebound pero nakakuha ni Maranan. Big man, nagbababa ng bola. Siya pa nag-set para kay Reyes. Oh, up and under. Misses. De Leon gets the second chance points.
And
Bola
even,
ulit.
that's right, even with this huge lead, no, as we mentioned earlier, the energy level and the effort by makabagong San Juan is still the same. And I'm sure Coach Renren will not accept otherwise, no, kung ibaba nila yun.
Oo.
Oo.
So kumbaga pwede naman maging relaxed pero hindi dapat maging complacent.
Yes.
And that's what we are seeing here. Starting from the tip off, literal, na tip off to the final buzzer. Hindi nagsastop itong San Juan.
Diba? Parang chef's magic.
Oo. Although yun nga, no, si Magic Padre Juan, hindi pa rin natin siya nakikita here in our fourth quarter. And halfway through the fourth quarter na tayo, partner, and the 60 points na nga ang kalamangan, balik na sa 58, sabi nito ni Enriquez.
Good pass. And that's what Malabon should have done earlier. And, well, kahit sabihin natin too late na, they still have to try and run their plays, move the ball better rather than trying one-on-one plays, no?
Yep.
And yung binababad yung bola sa dribble because kanina pa sila na nadudukutan ng San Juan.
At yun na nga, medyo lumuwag ang depensa doon para kay De La Cueva, nakapuntos para sa
Right.
Malabon.
And good job by De La Cueva. We've seen his aggressiveness early in this game pero kanina nakita ulit natin yung shot na yun and he has to continue that.
Pero itong si Enriquez, great defensive rebound. Balik kay De La Cueva ang bola for Malabon. Double teamed on that transition pero nakakuha siya ng foul.
If we take a look at that last play, so kahit nakakuha ng foul si De La Cueva, yun yung sinasabi, yung kaka-mention ko lang na medyo bawasan sana yung dribble. De La Cueva was trying to go through two defenders through sa gitna nung dalawang
Exactly.
defender na yun. Samantala, may buwelo na yung isang kakampi niya sa gitna. Kung naipasa niya kagad yun, maganda sana yung drive na pwedeng gawin ng teammate niya.
Melchor was able to secure his first 2 points there. Calooy, sasagot naman and the jumper is in. Dahil dyan, napatawag muli ng timeout itong Malabon. Timeout muna tayo.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Oh, great anticipation, great steal dito ni Teodoro. Medyo nagre-relax na sila, balik na sila ni Hizon sa aksyon. Hizon finds Calooy. Decides to shoot, nakuha pa rin.
And now Joseph Caloy getting his numbers. He is actually in the top, one of the top scorers. Pareho na sila ni Santos na may 15 points. No?
Tabla na sila sa 15 pagdating sa leading scorer ng San Juan. We can see here na a lot of San Juan players are having double digit. Two of them are double digit now when it comes to their scoring. Or correction, a lot na actually. 15-12. Caloy decides to pull up for 3, a bit short.
Hindi pa nakaka puntos from beyond the arc itong si Caloy, pero yung shooting niya from the field goal sa 2-point area is up to 57%. So napakataas talaga and always very efficient itong si Joseph Caloy, especially in terms of offense.
Bola ulit ng San Juan. We are nearing our 2-minute mark in the final quarter. Caloy, jumper, too strong. Katapang defensive rebound, gives it to Melchor. Now finds that middle shot part pero hindi pa rin papasok yan kay Enriquez. Last 2 minutes na nga natin. Hizon to Caloy. Guarded by Melchor. Gives it to Hizon. Hizon double teamed by white shirts. Decides to shoot, misses. Nakatawag naman ang foul. Hizon at the line. First free throw in. Under 2 minutes remaining in our fourth quarter. Making it 100 points para sa San Juan after the 2 for 2 para kay Hizon. Now sarado 60 ang lamang ng San Juan, 100 kontra 40. Bola ng Malabon. Sila naman ang atake. Decides to draw the attention of the defenders. Gets the ball taken away instead. Now Caloy finds Sidoro and great finish. At this point, patuloy na tumataas ang individual stats itong mga players sa San Juan.
And it is actually a race. Yeah. Although, it's still outstanding, no? Especially para dito sa mga bagong San Juan. Especially that 1, 2, at least 4 players are again in double figures. Ang ganda ng points distribution nitong makabagong San Juan.
Chidoro nakalusot against the defenders. Kicks it out
there
for that corner 3.
That is Joseph's 18th point of the game. Nasagot.
Melegrito, pumukol naman ng 3 para sa Malabon. San Juan ulit. Taking things slow with 36 seconds remaining. Chidoro pulls up, mid-range jumper too strong.
Look at Melegrito. Diba? Kumalawit, pare.
Dito pa rin daw sila. Sabi that shot was just too strong. But they're doing well when it comes to their defensive end. Pero sa offensive end, they still have to work on this if they want to get their first win in their next game, which will be their 3rd game.
Right.
And right now, nauubos na lang oras and parehong komponan decides to call it a game with 10 seconds remaining. 105-45, 60-point lead. San Juan. Makabago San Juan Mighty Warriors kontra dito sa Malabon. A to Z. Sports Academy NYBL Ballers. What a 3rd straight victory para dito sa San Juan. Still dominant in their 3rd game in Season 4. Congratulations to makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. And in a few minutes, we will be awarding our Defensive Player of the Game, Assist Champ, and of course our Champs Magic Player of the Game. But for now, let's take a look at some of our highlights in this ball game. Game number 1. Malabon was able to secure some points.
Right.
In and out.
Yeah, mostly due to the efforts of Cabuello, no?
Yep.
With a monster game for himself. However, yun nga, yung support, kulang.
And of course, our Don Benito's defensive player of the game, none other than Raymond Cabuello with 10 rebounds. Double-digit performance para dito kay Cabuello of Malabon. And also, we have our Milo assist champ of the game coming from Makabago San Juan naman, Gab Reyes with 4 assists. Gathered sa paligid niya ang kanyang mga teammates. Very happy for him.
That's
And
right.
right now, we will be awarding our Chef's Magic Player of the Game. Pero syempre, ibibigay natin to kay Maris Victorio to interview our Chef's Magic Player of the Game. Congratulations once again to Makabago San Juan and to Jacob Hizon for bagging the Chef's Magic Player of the Game. Huwag mo na kayo aalis, babalik tayo for our game number 2 sa pagitan naman ng 14 and under division.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugo.